Hello, everyone. We're going to go through a brief description of how the WinWin bot works. A little bit about the functions and the scripts. So, getting right into the WinWin bot, it's basically a bot that trades between Bitcoin and Tether, which is USDT. Very effective and efficient with its operations, suitable for all traders, whether you have experience or whether you do not. The most easy bot to set up and manage as far as the CWE bots that are available to us. You really don't need to manage it once you set it up. The risk with this bot is lower than all other trading bots that we offer. That doesn't mean there's no risk. Obviously, in cryptocurrency, it's a speculative market, so there's always going to be risk. In the stock market, in commodities markets, there's always risk when we invest real estate. But out of the bots that we offer, the CWE family bots that are offered, this will be the lowest risk bot out of all of them. And how it works is pretty simple. It will utilize up to 0.175 BTC. It won't pull it out all at once when you turn a WinWin bot on. What it basically does is it divides the 0.175 BTC into 80 units. So we need to make sure that we keep 0.175 Bitcoin available in our Bitcoin account with our exchange. So if we're trading with Binance, we want to make sure 0.175 Bitcoin is available on our Binance account if we're going to turn on a WinWin bot. How it works is basically if the bot is bearish on Bitcoin, meaning it feels like that Bitcoin is going to go down, or the triggers, the scripts, it's looking like Bitcoin's going to drop, it will start picking up trades of USDT, of Tether. It's going to sell the Bitcoin and buy Tether and hold it to keep up our valuation of Bitcoin and keep up the amount of Bitcoin eventually. If it's bullish on Bitcoin, meaning it's thinking Bitcoin is going to go up, it will sell off the USDT and buy Bitcoin. If the bot is wrong during the bullish trade, it increases the units on the next bullish trade for BTC. So what that means is, let's say it thinks Bitcoin is going to go up and it uses 1 unit, and Bitcoin doesn't go up, it goes down. The next time that bot believes Bitcoin is going to go up, it might use 2 units. It'll increase the amount of units that it purchases. If it was wrong again, the next time it triggers that Bitcoin is going to go up, it'll buy 4 units. And so it's split into 80 units. And mathematically, it's very safe. It micro trades to increase our Bitcoin over time. So you won't see the massive wins volume wise and Bitcoin return wise that you would see in an HPSI bot or a hybrid bot. But on the flip side, you won't see the losses, you won't see the downs, you won't see reds like you will on the HPSI and the hybrid bot if you have to wait out for coins to rally. That's not really the case with the WinWin bot. Its name is pretty apropos. It just wins, baby. As Al Davis says for the NFL, I guess old Raider fans in the United States, just win-win, baby, would be our quote. And I want to share with you a screenshot from a WinWin bot over about 3 months. And this WinWin bot executed 134 trades. Out of those 134 trades, we look at each and every one of them, there were 133 completed winners. The only trade that didn't complete out as a winner was the trade that was open during the time of this screenshot. And it's probably closed now at the timing of this video for profit. And so it's not going to have the huge swings up and down. It's pretty much just up, 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 a little bit at a time, a little bit at a time, adding to the balance of Bitcoin that we have. They are creating some new WinWin bots that are going to be available. And the new ones will trade instead of just Bitcoin versus Tether. The newest one that's coming out will be trading Bitcoin versus Ethereum. There'll be a few more of those as well, different pairings that'll run on the same scripts and the same functions. The theory behind it and the testing is showing it has the same risk factor pretty much, but it just trades more times. It's more aggressive getting in and out of trades. So the idea behind it is still micro trading, but instead of, over 3 months having 134 trades, the idea is having 1,034 trades or 2,034 trades, which obviously the more micro trades that win, if you keep adding them up and adding them up, it can come down to turn into a fairly decent profit over time. So that's really the brief description of the WinWin bot. We'll go through some other videos on how to set it up, how to do multiple win-wins, how the new win-wins will play in once they're available. But just remember, you want to have 0.175 Bitcoin available and keep it available. When you turn the WinWin bot on, it's not going to use all 0.175 at once. It's going to divide that amount into 80 units, and it's going to start using those units. And if you decide, hey, I'm just trading these other units, the WinWin is going to come looking for those units, and they won't be there. So make sure you keep it there, 0.175 Bitcoin, and your WinWin will run just fine. And ideally, you'll just win, baby. Appreciate you guys watching this video. Keep a lookout for newer videos and more videos to come.